Cash app is glitching right now, and this glitch is really crazy. Today in this video, I'll be talking about all the details on this Cash app glitch. Is your money safe or not? But first, let me show you right over here onto the down detector, and here you can see guys about 554 outage reports. That means there is some kind of a issue going on with the Cash app. So well, now let me show you what's really going on with the people, what kind of a issue are people facing right now. Here you see this fellow is trying to show you the glitch, and here you can see instantly he's adding the cache right over there, and here you can see instantly you have added the cache, and right over there the glitch works like this as for this particular user. Yes, definitely there is a cache up glitch going on, and you can see the inflated numbers, that's for sure. So many people are reporting that there is a cache app glitch going on right now, and here you can see it for yourself guys. Check this out: cache app glitch, smacking and hitting instant. It comes with a cash app linkable debit card and free walkthrough. I have been spacking off this burner lately and better get active. So this is the thing guys, I don't know what's really going on, whether this glitch is accessible to all the people or not. Do let me know if you are able to access this kind of a glitch, but I do not recommend you to do anything at all. Let the cash app fix this thing. I don't recommend at all, but I'm going to share all the experiences of the people so you can get the idea what's really going on. Is your money safe or not? Now let me show you all the latest update. Check this out: this is what real motion looks like. Cash app glitch, it's getting too easy at this point. We have been smacking today. Check this out guys, the cash balance, and this is 3 hours ago. Cash app glitch, smacking and hitting instant. Cash app glitch, smacking and hitting instant. It comes with the cash app linkable debit card and pre walkthrough, and this fellow is, I think it's taking advantage of it. I don't know if this is real or not. At this point, tons and tons of people are reporting, so definitely there is some kind of a issue going on. Check this out: 3 hours ago. But this is kind of a crazy to me that here you can see guys, although tons and tons of different users are reporting it, but here you see the captions are staying same for all the users. So what's kind of a thing going on? This is kind of a fishy thing, kind of a advertisement going on. What's really going on now at this point guys? I see tons and tons of people are reporting it, and now I don't know if this is a real glitch or not, but guys, do let me know what's your experience, whether this cash app glitch is working out, or is people just trying to troll you, trying to get your attention. What's really going on? But here's the thing, many people are showing it. I don't know guys. Here you see this fellow is trying to show you the glitch, and here you can see instantly he's adding the cache right over there, and here you can see instantly you have added the cache, and right over there the glitch works like this as for this particular user. Now do let me know if this glitch is real or not, and people are reporting this just a couple of hours ago. In fact, there are tons and tons of people are talking about it. So well, what does the cash app has to say about it? Well, let me show you what's really going on, and let me also show you the cash app support as well. So let me see first about the cash app. Well, do they have got any update right over here? Well, as of right now, no update from the cash app. Let's check it out, the cash app support Twitter official page, and hope we got any support over there. All right, so here you can see guys, just 51 minutes ago, our team is actively investigating the connection issues affecting multiple features of the app. If your payment is pending, do not reattempt to pay at this time. We'll post update on status.cash app, and let me show you what's really going on onto the status cash app page. Let me show you, do they got any update right over there? And here you can see guys, as of right now, cash app officially acknowledged that there are connection issues, and they are continuing to investigate this issue as of 23rd of October and 12 PDT. Their team is actively investigating on the connection issues affecting multiple users, and this one including cash outs, cash adding cash, logins, signups, and peer-to-peer payments. If your payment is pending, please do not reattempt to pay the payments. We'll be back with the update very soon. And here's the thing, you can't send and receive the money, the degraded performance over there. Cash app, cash card is working, cash app pay working, adding cash is somewhat, adding cash having some issues, cash out is not working as well, and in-app alert is having some issues as well. So you see, still we have got unresolved incident with the connection issues, and this, now here's the thing guys, they have acknowledged that adding cash, logins, cash out, these kind of things are glitched out as of right now. I mean, their team is actively investigating on this issues. So all those people are showing you the the Cash App glitch, I think guys, those glitch are not real in my opinion. As far as I can see, those glitch might seem like they are adding tons and tons of cash, they are trying to smash the Cash App, but here is the thing guys, those numbers will be resetted back to their original legit figures. So I don't think this Cash App glitch is real. Now do let me know what do you think about this one. Did you got the real Cash App glitch money? I don't think guys this is not real. Don't try to. This is just a joke. At this point there is no real evidence. You just need to wait for a few time. Their team is actively working on it. Now despite tons and tons of people are already showing the Cash App glitch, I don't think guys this is gonna get you anywhere, because here's the thing, once those Cash App outage issues will be fixed, these figures will be back to normal, to your legit figures. So do let me know, is what's your experience with the Cash App glitch? Yes, definitely there is a Cash App glitch going on and you can see the inflated numbers, that's for sure, but don't expect the money entering into your account guys. This is not a free money. Now once I get any latest details regarding when they'll be going to fix it or what's really going on with the Cash App, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.